Hello everyone, it's Christine here and I'm back for our stitch along and we are going to do star stitch. So I've selected myself some very slinky fabric that's got a sort of a silvery black gleam to it that reminds me a bit of a night sky, and I've done just a running stitch for the stitching out of the name of the stitch, star stitch. And then I have marked some little stars on with my friction marker, but you can barely see the markings. But I will start off at the first point. So I'm starting at the bottom of the star and I'll follow what the book says for the first one, and then I might try my own method for the second. So the book says to go from bottom to top, and then it tells you to come round and put in one of the cross strokes. And I think it says to do it this way so that you're always just sort of going to the next immediate point. I'm then going to just hold my thread so I can kind of get the right angle for it, and then come around and put in the middle stroke. So I think I might have done that one a smidge too high, but that's okay. See how we go. See, I think I'd be better putting in the cross shape ones first of all, but let's give one of those a go. So we'll travel ourselves up to somewhere up here. So I'll start at the bottom, I'll go up to the top. Oops. Then I'll put in one of my cross points. Keeps catching. And then I think I'll do better putting in the diagonals. It's probably fine if you've got them marked on, but seeing I'm just having to do it by eye, I find it easier to do the crosses first. And then add the diagonals after that. Probably doesn't matter too much if it's not perfect anyway, because that one is a little bit skewy, but it'll still create the effect of a night sky, I think. You could also do them a lot smaller. I'm obviously just doing them of a size that you can actually see on the video. So I'll start from the top this time for this one. Hoping you're able to see, because with being the glinty fabric, it does tend to create a few reflection issues for the video. I'm just trying to hold it at an angle where it won't sort of be totally reflective for you. Take it down to there and come up to here and take it down to here. Then we'll do another one down here. I think I'm not wanting to have them all sort of totally even, just wanting to get a bit more of a random sort of shape or layout really. Oops, I've got a little knot. Wouldn't be a video without a little knot, would it? bigger one down here. So you could do a whole lot of small ones, almost like seed stitches in a background. It would be quite pretty as well. But just a nice mark making stitch. For me, it's definitely a lot easier doing the cross stitch first and then coming back and doing the diagonals. Do one over here. So I hope you're having a great day, great evening, great morning for many of you that are watching this premiere when you've just got up. Maybe you're still in bed, contemplating the day ahead. So there you go, that is my starry night. Bit of fun. And then I'll just tie it off on the back. Snip it off, and we can also snip it out of its little, don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but I think you can see that hopefully. Probably a bit better when I hold it up like that. So yeah, that'll be a fun one to put in the book. You almost need to kind of look at it at a certain angle to see it, otherwise it does just look like, yeah. It's pretty cool. Almost like they're glistening out of the sky. So tomorrow we'll come back and do stem stitch, the regular form, and we're also going to then on separate days do stem stitch encroaching, stem stitch whipped, stem stitch Portuguese knotted, stem stitch raised, and stem stitch ribbon rows. So we've got quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we've got 6 stem stitches that we'll be doing. So I will see you then. Thanks everyone. Bye.